Hey there, awesome viewers. Today I'll guide you through 3 interactive ways to create a composition in Adobe After Effects. So, let's get started. Let's fire up Adobe After Effects. Click on New Project. Here you can see the interface of Adobe After Effects. To start a composition, right-click and select New Composition. Here you can give a name to your composition. Further, in resolution bar, you can select the resolution as per your project needs. Downside here, you can select how much of resolution you want for your preview video. I have chosen it to be halfway around. However, depend upon your choice, you can use it to be full as well. Here you can select the time period of your project. And finally, you can select the background color of your composition from color palette. Now I will delete this composition by pressing the backspace key. Second method of creating new composition is simply click on New Composition, and rest things will be same. Now let's move on to our third method of creating composition. Simply click on the toolbar on the top and select Composition, followed by selecting New Composition. Rest all settings are same. I hope guys, today you learn about creating compositions. That is the most important aspect of After Effects. Hit like and subscribe this channel for more cool tutorials.